Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning supporters, thank you for joining me. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please consider subscribing and joining the family. If you want to see how I made this refreshing pineapple drink, keep on watching. Here I have a pineapple I already washed, and I'm going to peel and cut in smaller pieces so we can blend. Here I'm adding my pineapple pieces to my blender. I'm going to add a cup of water and I'm going to blend and double strain. For all these blending that I'm doing, I'm going to do them separate because we're going to make different flavors. So the pineapple and ginger will be in one mixture and the others will be separated, but you'll all see. Just watch the steps, okay? Here I'm blending my ginger and I'm going to strain that in the pineapple mixture. The list of all the things I use will be in the description box below. Moving along, time to blend my cucumber, and here I have a cup of water and I'm going to blend and strain separate. Moving along, guys, here I'm straining my pineapple and ginger juice so we can add our additional flavors, okay? Okay guys, now the fun has just begun. I'm going to add in my blender my strawberry, my lime juice, sugar, and our pineapple ginger mixture, and I'm going to blend that, and we set that one aside. That's juice number 1. And here you have it, guys, juice number 1, our strawberry lime pineapple juice. Very refreshing. And we're moving along and we're adding the cucumber juice, lime juice, sugar, and our pineapple ginger mixture. I'm going to blend that one also and present it. And here is juice number 2, guys, our cucumber pineapple juice. Very refreshing, and we're moving along. For the other juice, it's just our base or pineapple ginger mixture, and we're going to add sugar and our lime juice. Blend that one and set aside. That's juice number 3. Here you have it, guys, our third juice, pineapple lime ginger juice. All are very refreshing. Hope you guys try making this juice at home. Please turn your notification bell on as usual, so you get notified as soon as I upload. Thank you all so much for watching. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye bye.